back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today is Monday. You know what that means? New tool day. Just got back from Menards. And as you saw in my last video, I was checking out all the Masterforce stuff, and I decided to pick up the Masterforce Impact Driver Kit. The kit comes with a 2, a 4, a charger, a bag, and of course, the Impact Driver. Now, little fun fact, Masterforce is made by Makita, believe it or not. That's why I was so impressed by the quality of this thing so far. Granted, I've only had it for, a day. Really like it so far. It feels good in the hand. I mean, it's a little heavy with the 4 on there, but we'll get into that later. I love that ring. It just lights up everything. It's great. We're gonna go over the features. We're gonna talk about the price. We're gonna put it head-to-head against the Ryobi and the other Makita. Stick around if you want to see this video, guys. Hit that intro. Ha! Psych! Skipping the intro today. Get right into it. Okay. 3-speed. Actually, it's 4-speed, actually. Low speed, 0 to 1100 RPMs. Medium, 0 to 19. High is 0 to 2800 RPMs. Impacts, 0 to 1200, 0 to 23, and then high is 0 to 3300 blows per minute. If you want to talk about the torque settings, low 770, medium is 1240, and high it says 1700 inch-pounds of torque on this bad boy. So it's right up there with DeWalt, Ryobi. I mean, you'll see. A lot of oomph in this little bad boy. I like it. It has the control switch here is right on top. 1, 2, 3, which you'll see as I sink the screws into the wood later on. And also, if you hold this down, it has a auto stop mode, which goes and then it stops when it senses the impacts, which is pretty slick. For a budget house brand tool. It is brushless. What else? Comes with a belt clip, bit holder on the side, which I never use because it just gets in the way, gets snagged on stuff. It is a hands-free collet. See, just boop, pops right in. I do like that, and then actually launches it pretty far. Watch that. That shot that about a foot. Granted, it's only a 2-inch bit, but whatever. You want to talk about no wobble? Look at this one. We're talking no. You see that? This is the smoothest collet I've ever seen in my life. There's no wobble in it at all. Watch this. You see any wobble, it's from the bit. You see that collet wobble at all? Now when I did that with the DeWalt, it goes. Now watch right here. 0 wobble. Can't believe it. It's crazy. But Masterforce does have quite a bit of stuff in the line. They got sanders, they got bandsaws, they have leaf blowers, weed whackers, weed eaters, string trimmer, whatever you call it. They do have a lot more stuff in the quarter department. All kinds of different sanders. They have power miter saws. Quite a bit of stuff. They even have a 12-volt line which has drills, impacts, flashlights. They have the heated vests, which are clearancing out right now. I mean, they don't have as many heat compartments as the Milwaukee and the Makita do, but I think they're in clearance right now for $75, which you get the power source but no battery, which is, it's okay, but it's not great. I put this up against the Ryobi and the Makita Subcompact. Let's go check it out. Alright, here we go. Ryobi, fully charged up in the right hand. Masterforce, fully charged up in the left hand, using a 4.0 on the Masterforce. High speed. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty dang close. I have to check the instant replay on that one. 2, 3, go. Ryobi got it by a millimeter, just barely. Wow, this thing actually has a lot of power. It's pretty funny. Switch it up to some 6s, run them again. Still full bars. Full bars. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, I think Masterforce got that one that time. Okay, 6 inches. I'm gonna focus in on it and see who wins. This is gonna be a close one. Here we go. Ryobi in the right, Masterforce in the left. 1, 2, 3, go. I think the Ryobi got it. Very close though. Full bar still. Alright, Ryobi's using the Ryobi bit. This one's using the Milwaukee bit because I don't have a Masterforce bit. 1, 2, 3. Ryobi got that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Well, I think Ryobi has it with the bigger bolts. Bigger legs. Alright, switch them up. Winner takes all. I'll tell you one thing though, the Ryobi is about 140 degrees because I can't even touch it. Where the Masterforce is cool as to the touch. It has more vent holes. And I love this light. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You see that? I started the Ryobi late and it's still won. Just for fun, I'm gonna throw in the Makita subcompact. Fully charges up 2. Fully charges up 2. Where does it say 2? 2. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Took the Makita, no problem. Alright guys, we're just going to go over the modes of the new Impact here real quick. Just to kind of give you an idea of how it is, just doing regular screws and whatnot. So we got some standard 2-inch construction screws. This is on high mode. Here we go. Okay, really powerful when it comes to screwing in standard screws. Alright, bump it down to low. You see that? Low mode. 2-inch construction screw again. Low mode. Not bad. Medium. Not bad. There you go guys. I felt like this was right there with the Ryobi in every test except for the bigger SPAC screws. It didn't like the big screws. I will say that it was slower with that, but also the battery is starting to get a little low too. The Ryobi, I did use the HP battery for all the tests except for I think one at the end. So without the HP battery, this would win hands down. It did win actually. I did a lot of testing too off camera. It beat the Makita subcompact no problem. This had they're each using the 2, so 2 and 2 on the Makita and this beat the Makita no problem. And it beat this with just the standard 4 amp. But when you throw on the HP battery, then it was tied when it came to the standard 6-inch timber locks. But when you threw in the big SPACs, the fatter ones, this did lose during that test, the fatter ones. I didn't like those. But again, it was getting hot and the battery was getting a little bit low. So I feel like without the HP batteries, this has Ryobi beat, for sure. Let me know what you guys want me to put this up against. I'm thinking I'm going to do this against the Makita Quick Shift. The Masterforce does have a full line of batteries from 1.5 to 2, 2.5, 4, and a 5. It doesn't have anything higher than a 5.0. What else am I forgetting here? Hope you like it, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. See ya.